Guys, what's going on? It's Ed here, and today we're going to be playing a random game, Bloons Super Monkey. So let's see how this rolls out. Now, I have played this before, and I've been playing this. So, yeah. Do you already have stuff? If you want to see, the play of how I did to get to this point, which I'm sure you probably don't, just comment. And so, yeah, let's start playing. So, I'll just show you what I'm at right now. So this is my Super Monkey with, what's up? Yeah, 15.1% research, 78.1% power-ups. I have unlocked one epic, but it's extremely expensive, so I don't want to get it. These are the other ones that I can get for that. Let's see what there is for the core, though. Spiky. In case you can't read really fast, Spiky Chaos, Mass Distraction, Moap. Core bomb weapons. Oh, I see. So it's not like you go through it. I see. I see. Okay, so yeah, I have all that. I'm using that. Then I have all that. That's the only reason I have that epic. Good. Now, my Ice Monkey, Triple Snowflakes, Avalanche, Thermite Munitions. No, wait. Bigger Blast. So, yeah. And I don't have the other one unlocked yet. So let's just go out here. And this might... No, what's up? Be that long. Because this has very low memory. Which reminds me, I do need to delete stuff. I do not like frozen fields. So let's go find a beacon. And a beacon is, for those of you that don't know, when you delete a level... Okay, so on the top, very top of the screen, you'll see a red ball and a blue ball. The blue ball has 4,121 next to it. The red one has 5,018 next to it. Those are, you get the red ones by doing a level the first time you do it. And once you've already beat the level, you'll get blue ones for it. Technically what the beacon does is it lets you get the red ones again, which is why you see them floating around all over the place, and yeah, they're called blops. So let's just do this. I think my character's pretty good, honestly. Now, if you guys want this game, you guys can get it for 99 cents. It's pretty cheap. So, yeah. And pretty much you can move your character around the screen as I'm doing right now. Yes, you use your finger. Don't be using a mouse, because that won't work. It pretty much works where the things that are flying around me right now are, the little Kai, I think they're called. Sai. And I'm shooting, for those of you guys that haven't played them, so, if you hadn't played Bloons Tower Defense, any of the games, or Bloons Tower Defense Battles, you probably won't know. Now, next video, I'll probably be, well, no, if you guys like this, I'll be making it a series. Because I like this game. But, after this, we are definitely going to be playing Bloons Tower Defense 5, for those of you who don't know what that is. But this is pretty much one of the most powerful characters in Bloons Tower Defense or Bloons Tower Defense 5. Or at least the base character without any of the upgrades. And by the way, the thing that I'm fighting right now is a boss. These things are bosses. So, yeah, I think that's pretty much all covered. But, yeah. So let's just start trying to, right now I'm trying to get 12,000 red blobs, which I've already overcome. So that's good news. Ish. It's not that important, really. I might be doing a face review soon. Yeah, I might be doing a face review. But that's a maybe. Get this video to 6 likes. No, 3 likes. Get this video to 3 likes for a face review. And yeah. So we're gonna go and do this upgrade. Just hard for me to remember where it is. Should I get that? Should I get that? No. Rings? No. Darts? Oh no. Oh no. 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 Well, do I want another laser whip?